In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with tables inside Excel files. First of all, let me start from creating the table. This can be done by marking our data, and we click Insert Table. And it is very important to have at least one row, otherwise it's not going to work. So my table has a header, and what we want to do, we want to insert the data, start from this row and automatically expand the table. So the formatting and the colors will be the same. Another thing I wanted to show you, so we have review. When you add new table, it is added to the name manager, so you can use it to delete. So let me save the file. And go back to our transformation. Here what we are saying is that now our target is not a sheet but a table. And it's called table 1, table 2. And we want to add data to existing file. I want to clear table data first. It's kind of confusing because there are too many options. So let's try to run it and see what happens. It should expand the table. Oh, it is expanded. And you can actually apply filters as well, because filters also expanded. So you can see in certain situations it can be very useful. Our software also supports working with date ranges. To some extent, it's sort of similar to tables. Again, you can see the date ranges in review button. Заранее. Yeah, name manager, sorry. You'll see data ranges here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask them there, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.